In today's high-speed communication networks, a single speck of dust on a fiber optic connector can compromise signal quality. That's why cleaning isn't optional, it's mission critical. But not all cleaning methods are created equal. Automated fiber optic connector cleaning is a convenient alternative to manual cleaning tools like click-to-clean tools or cleaning sticks. These advanced systems, like the Pro360 Touchless Cleaner, are engineered to deliver consistent, repeatable results with minimal human intervention. They use a precision-engineered mix of pressurized cleaning fluid and air to wet-to-dry clean end faces without ever touching them, eliminating the risk of scratches or recontamination. At the heart of the Pro360's cleaning operation is its specialized cleaning fluid, designed to break down and flush away dust, oil, and static fast. This fluid is non-flammable, fast-drying, and safe for use on delicate connector surfaces. It evaporates quickly, taking the contamination with it, leaving the connector clean, dry, and inspection-ready. And because there's no physical contact, you avoid wear on the connector end face entirely. So, how does the Pro360 deliver a touchless clean? It all comes down to its groundbreaking Kawanda effect fluid flow technology. The Kawanda effect is the tendency of a jet of fluid or air to cling to and follow the contours of a surface. The Pro360 uses it to full advantage. The Pro360 injects a precise microburst of cleaning fluid into a high-velocity airstream, instantly atomizing the fluid. This fine mist reaches every part of the fiber end face via the Kawanda effect, no matter the shape or geometry, ensuring complete coverage of the fiber optic core, cladding, and ferrule surfaces. Immediately after the microburst of cleaning fluid, a focused jet of clean air dries the end face. As the fluid evaporates, it carries away the contamination or disperses it to areas where any remaining trace amounts pose no risk. The result? A fast, reliable, contact-free clean every time. Compared to manual methods, automated cleaning has several advantages, including speed, by cleaning a connector in just seconds. Consistency. Connections are consistently clean, saving both time and effort. End face protection. No contact, no scratches. Cost savings. Reduced training and cleaning times. Sustainability with less waste, fewer consumables, lower environmental impact. Manual cleaning is suitable for specific field use and low-volume cleaning. But for high-density networks, precision connectors, or volume-based workflows, automated cleaning is the faster, more scalable solution. Yes, there's an initial investment, but the long-term benefits are clear. Consistently clean connectors, lower costs, and better network performance. The Pro360 Touchless Cleaner. The future of fiber optic connector cleaning is here. Learn more at sticklerscleaners.com.